Hello, Laura. It's so pleasure to see you after, what, 10 years?
Hello, Marius. Yeah, this is a really great getting together again.
So thank you very much for accepting our invitation to come to the Memorial Care Todd Cancer Institute. Dr. Laura Nasi is the integrative oncologist in private practice Buenos Aires, and an author of Cancer as a Wake-Up Call, which is just being published in October of this year. So it is very fresh. It is going to be very fresh. And she is an expert in integrative oncology. She did her oncology residency in Memorial Sloan Kettering in New York, and she was also research coordinator over there. And so it is wonderful to have her, such a competent person, to speak about how to go through the oncology treatment in a healthy way, and what can we do in addition to conventional treatment. So Laura, what are you going to be talking about? Please let us know.
Oh, Marius, it's going to be my pleasure to come to your place and to share with you and your community this view that we're having, on how to deal with cancer in a different way, to start thinking about how we can live healthier, recover our health, and incorporate like a lifestyle that will make us live more healthy, but also more happy. I think there's a lot about the equilibrium, the balance that we need in order to be healthy, that also brings us to a more happy life, a more connected to who we really are. And I would love to come and talk a little bit about this, and also to have this exchange, because I know that you are doing a lot over there also, and I know that we have a lot of things in common. And let's share and let's see how our paths are related, and what we can learn from each other.
Yes, actually, we met for the first time 10 years ago with Dr. Carl Simonton during his retreat. And Dr. Carl Simonton was one of the pioneers of mind-body oncology, and was radiation oncologist who noticed that the emotional aspects of getting well from cancer is very important. So, and Laura, Dr. Nasi, is going to have the wonderful workshop for us Saturday, October the 13th at Todd Cancer Pavilion at 2810 Long Beach Boulevard in treatment planning room on the 3rd floor. So you are invited. The fee is $20, but for this $20, you also get this fresh book, which is titled Cancer as a Wake-Up Call. So it is a good deal. We have only 50 slots available for that in-person workshop, but you will also be able to participate via video conferencing. Yes, video conferencing is going to be free, but you will not get the book. So we are hoping to see you. And the workshop in English is going to start at 11 a.m. and last until 12:30 p.m. And it is going to be preceded with the workshop in Spanish. It will start from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. Thank you very much, and already invited. Laura, we are waiting for you here.
Looking forward to being with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much.